Thinking about your first Brazilian wax? You're not alone. Many feel nervous, curious, or even a little intimidated. But what if this experience could be professional, empowering, and surprisingly smooth? Welcome to MTH Health. Today, we'll guide you through every step of your first Brazilian wax, from preparation to aftercare, using our unique Brazilian Barometer, so you know exactly what to expect. Why Brazilian Barometer? Because it measures your readiness, comfort, and confidence for your first wax. Preparation is the first step. Start with a warm shower and gentle exfoliation. Avoid lotions or oils. Clean, dry skin ensures a smoother experience. Pain is normal but manageable. Over-the-counter pain relief, deep breathing, and relaxation techniques help. Remember, discomfort is brief and the sense of empowerment afterward is lasting. Choose your salon carefully. Look for hygiene, professional credentials, and positive reviews. A welcoming, skilled esthetician makes all the difference. During your consultation, discuss your preferences, concerns, and desired shape. A good esthetician will explain each step clearly. During the session, you'll be guided into a comfortable position. Warm wax is applied, strips removed swiftly, discomfort is brief, and your esthetician will ensure your dignity and safety at all times. Aftercare is critical for the first 24 hours. Avoid tight clothing, hot showers, and intense workouts. Use a soothing fragrance-free lotion or aloe gel. Ingrown hairs can be prevented by gentle exfoliation 2 to 3 times a week and specialized post-wax products. Regular waxing reduces hair regrowth over time, and scheduling your next session every 4 to 6 weeks maintains smoothness. While Brazilian waxes are popular, other waxing options exist: bikini, full leg, underarm, each with its own benefits. Common questions. Hair length for waxing. About the size of a grain of rice during your period. It's safe but sensitivity may increase. When to skip a wax. If skin is irritated, broken, or if you're on certain medications, use the Brazilian Barometer to rate each step. Preparation, experience, aftercare. So you feel confident and informed. The real reward is confidence. A professional wax is empowering. Sharing your experience helps normalize self-care without stigma. Whether waxing, shaving, or going natural, the goal is the same. Feel confident in your skin. The Brazilian Barometer isn't just a guide for your first wax. It's a tool to celebrate self-care and personal empowerment. If this video helped you prepare for your first Brazilian wax, hit like, subscribe to MTH Health, and share it with a friend who's curious but nervous. Remember, smooth skin begins with preparation, knowledge, and confidence. Your Brazilian Barometer will guide the way.